How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix Canon printer error code B204. So I'm actually referring to the official forum or community of Canon. So I'm not making the solution myself up. So in here, I have the product expert in order to fix the specific B204 error. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually turn on your printer, or I mean turn it off. And then right after, you want to lift up the scanning unit, which is going to be the printer cover. And then you want to place the scanning unit support into position. You can then remove any orange protective tape and the protective material that may be present. Right after, you also want to check for jam paper, so you want to slowly pull the paper out if there is one, and if the paper tears and a pieces remains inside the machine, you won't simply want to turn it off, open the scanning unit printer cover, and then you can simply remove it. So getting past the jammed paper, you want to lift the scanning unit printer cover slightly to set the scanning unit back to its original position, and then gently close the scanning unit right here, or the printer cover. Right after, you want to reload the paper on the multi-purpose tray, press the power button, and if the alarm light remains after powering up your printer, you want to open the cover again, remove each cartridge, unplug the power cord from the back of your printer, reconnect the power cord and turn the unit on. Once again, reinsert the cartridges, and after it is inserted and reseated, close the cover, and then basically from there you could try printing a new paper, and from there you should be good to go. Now, if your issue persists, basically your printer would require service, and maybe you are eligible for the Canon upgrade program. Now, this is for the out of warranty units which have been diagnosed to require service. So you could just go ahead and check it out if it fixes your problem, but generally it only requires you cleaning out jammed paper, lifting the printer cover up and down, and from there it will then fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.